Did you know this universe reveals that Sri Lalita Devi is the very essence of every sacred mantra?
मूलमन्त्रात्मिका मूलकूटत्रैकलेवरा कुलामृतैकरसिका कुलसङ्केतपालिनी.
This shloka describes Sri Lalita Devi as Mula Mantratmika, the living essence of the root mantra itself. She is Mulakuta Traya Kalevara, meaning her divine form is made of the three sacred sections of the Sri Vidya mantra. The verse also calls her Kulamritahikarasika, the one who delights in the immortal nectar of spiritual wisdom, and Kulasanketa Palini, the protector of the sacred spiritual traditions and their divine secrets. This reminds us that all true knowledge, mantras, and spiritual power ultimately arise from Devi. Meditating on this shloka inspires reverence for sacred knowledge, strengthens devotion, and helps seekers progress on the path of inner wisdom. By remembering Sri Lalita Devi with faith and sincerity, we invite spiritual clarity, divine grace, and a deeper connection with the eternal truth. Did you know that Sri Lalita Devi is present both within sacred traditions and deep within your own heart?
कुलाङ्गना कुलान्तस्था कौलिनी कुलयोगिनी अकुला समयान्तस्था समयाचारतत्परा.
In this shloka, Sri Lalita Devi is praised as Kulangana, the divine one who sanctifies every spiritual family, and Kulantastha, who resides within the innermost core of sincere seekers. As Kaulini and Kulayogini, Ma guides devotees on the path of spiritual awakening and inner transformation. She is also Akula, beyond all names, forms, and limitations. Finally, as Samayantastha and Samayachara Tatpara, Devi dwells in the heart of those who follow the path of inner discipline, purity, devotion, and self realization. Meditating on this shloka reminds us that Sri Lalita Devi is not only worshipped in sacred rituals but also lives within our own consciousness. Chanting this verse with faith helps cultivate inner purity, spiritual wisdom, self discipline, and a deeper connection with Devi, guiding us towards lasting peace and divine realization. Did you know that Sri Lalita Devi is described as the divine power that awakens our inner spiritual energy?
मूलाधारैकनिलया ब्रह्मग्रन्थिविभेदिनी मणिपूरान्तरुदिता विष्णुग्रन्थिविभेदिनी.
In this shloka, Sri Lalita Devi is praised as the one who resides in the Mooladhara Chakra, the foundation of our spiritual energy. As the awakened Kundalini Shakti, Devi rises upwards, breaking the Brahma Granthi, the knot of ignorance and attachment to the material world. She then shines in the Manipura Chakra, removing the Vishnu Granthi, the knot of emotional attachment and ego. This verse beautifully symbolizes Ma guiding every seeker towards higher awareness, inner strength, and spiritual transformation. By chanting and reflecting on this sacred shloka with devotion, we seek the blessings of Sri Lalita Devi to remove inner obstacles, awaken divine wisdom, strengthen our spiritual journey, and fill our lives with peace, courage, and positive energy. Did you know that true wisdom and inner peace begin when Sri Lalita Devi awakens your highest consciousness?
आज्ञाञ्चक्रान्तराळस्था रुद्रग्रन्थिविभेदिनी सहस्राराम्बुजारूढा सुधासाराभिवर्षिणी.
In this shloka, Sri Lalita Devi is described as residing in the Agnya Chakra, the center of wisdom, intuition, and spiritual vision. She is the one who breaks the Rudra Granthi, the final knot that keeps us attached to ego and ignorance. Rising to the magnificent Sahasrara, the thousand-petaled lotus at the crown of head, Ma showers the nectar of divine bliss and spiritual awakening upon every sincere seeker. This verse beautifully reminds us that Devi leads us from limited understanding to the experience of eternal truth. Chanting or meditating on this shloka with devotion is believed to strengthen inner wisdom, improve clarity of thought, deepen meditation, and bring peace and divine grace into life. May Sri Lalita Devi guide us towards self realization and fill our hearts with the nectar of everlasting bliss. What is the hidden divine energy sleeping within every one of us?
तटिल्लता समरुचिषट्कोपरि संस्थिता महाशक्तिकुण्डलिनी विसतन्तु तनीयसी.
This shloka describes Sri Lalita Devi as the radiant Kundalini Shakti, shining like a brilliant streak of lightning. She resides above the six chakras as the supreme spiritual power. Though incredibly subtle, finer than the delicate fiber inside a lotus stem, Ma is the source of all life, awareness, and divine transformation. When awakened through sincere devotion and spiritual practice, this sacred energy guides the seeker towards inner peace, wisdom, and union with the divine. Meditating on this shloka reminds us that the greatest spiritual power already exists within us through Sri Lalita Devi. Chanting it with faith can inspire inner awakening, mental clarity, spiritual strength, and a deeper connection with Ma's infinite grace.